Hello, and welcome to Collectiv. Today, we will walk through the group feature in Power BI that would help you create a histogram like the example you see on the screen. Let's dive in. There are two ways to group your data, either by lists or by bins. Lists would apply to categorical data, such as cities, states, counties, while bins will apply to numerical data like sales and revenues. For list type groups, let's use the counties in a stored table as an example. Right-click County and then click New Group. On the pop-up, notice that we're restricted to the list type because we're working with categorical data. In real-life example, you would want to group your data in a meaningful way, but for this example, we'll group the counties that starts with A's and then B's and so forth. Make the selection on the left pane and click Group, then name your group. After categorizing as many groups as you like, click the Include Other group to include the rest of the counties. Let's now drag this group into the axis of our sales histogram. This will now total up the sales by the counties groups that we specified. As for the more numerical data, the process is the same. We'll now create bins from our sales data. Notice that you can also use group type list for numerical values, but let's stick to bins for this example. For the bin type, you can choose either a bin size or the number of bins to build your grouping. Let's try 250 bin size. And as the example earlier, drag your group to your axis and voila, we have our finished products. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please check out Collectiv on LinkedIn and YouTube. Until next time.